Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add text in NinjaTrader chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then go to this pen here at the top. Click on it, then go to the bottom here and you will see here text. Click on it, then you can type the text wherever you want. So for example, here, you can type anything as you can see. Now click on it 2 times and you can change the color from here if you want and click on apply. As you can see, you can choose another color. Let's choose, for example, red. Click on apply. You can also change the font if you want. Just click on this arrow here, scroll down, and you can change it from here. For example, this font, click on apply. As you can see, we have here the size, for example, 36. Click on apply and click on OK. As you can see, and that's it. You can also change its place. Just click on it and drag it wherever you want. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.